Okay, I'm going to replace the battery compartment in my grandson's electronic rocking horse because I had some batteries leak and they destroyed the old battery compartment. So first I'm going to remove the electronics module with 4 screws. Okay, on the new battery holder, I'm going to solder the red wire and the black wire to the old terminals that have the red and the black wire going to the circuit board. So I'm taking the red wire now. I'm going to solder that to the terminal inside that has the red wire going to the circuit board. Now I'm going to solder the black wire. And these are the tabs on the old battery compartment. Okay, next I'm going to put a little Velcro on the bottom of the new battery compartment. Install the batteries. Put the battery cover on. Then I'm going to put a little piece of Velcro on the inside of the horse. And attach the new battery compartment to the Velcro inside. And next, reattach the electronics module to the bottom of the horse. And after this, we're going to be ready for a test. Everything's working normally again. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.